In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to loop videos in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account and you will be taken to the Canva home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options all the way down to your profile. Click on your profile icon at the very bottom left corner and then click on your account. Once you've done that, you will be in your profile settings. What you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom until you come to the video editing section. Now, once you're here, you want to look for use new multi-track video editor, beta, and you just want to make sure that this is unchecked in order to be able to access the specific feature to loop your video. So once that's unchecked, navigate back over to the left-hand column of options. I'm going to click on create and videos. Now, once you do this, you'll have different video formats to pick from. So I'm going to pick landscape video. And when you select that, Canva's video editor will open up in a new tab. Now, you can add the video that you're going to edit by navigating back over to the left-hand column of options within Canva's design editor. And you can go to uploads. Presuming that you have uploaded your video here, click on the videos tab and you'll find your video. If you've not yet done that, you can click on upload files and your device's file explorer will open up and you can simply select it from there. So now that we have our video, we'll simply just drag it onto the timeline. And once it is dragged into the timeline, click on the actual video clip and you'll see a top menu of options that will appear. Click on edit, and when you do that, you will be presented with a side peek of editing options. So we want to click on play on repeat. Make sure that this is toggled on play on repeat in the playback section. And once you've done that, your video will now loop. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you found yourself having any issues during the process, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video.